The MicOn is something completely new in the market, and it's nothing else than a hand tool with a drive motor. That means we have a controlled temperature, we will have a controlled speed, and the operator have to give the pressure manual by himself. The MicOn is available with a digital display or in an analog system without the display. By the analog system, it's on the place where here is a display, a sticker where you find an indication and which position of the potentiometer you will have more or less which temperature. The speed is in both versions to see in this display, and it's adjustable with this potentiometer. Under the frame it's a guide. This guide will make sure that the welding is always outside on the edge. First step must be that you bring the MicOn in a stand position. That's the position here. Plug in the tool and adjust the temperature that you like to use for the welding. Then adjust the speed with this potentiometer and wait, and give pressure with these knobs by hand. At the end of the welding, go out. This guidance help will be very easy to mount on the tool and will help you to give a constant and equal pressure during